Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Welcome back to my friends. How are you? Hi, this is Meenakshi Sharma from Welcome Canada. I hope all of you good and enjoying my videos a lot. So let's get started. Today's topic is 15 jobs in Quebec in high demand due to COVID-19. The pandemic has caused some occupation in demand in Quebec to be more in demand than others, and today we will discuss these occupations which are more in demand in Quebec due to COVID-19, right? If you are interested in my content, so please subscribe my channel, and this video related to those international students are coming in Quebec और वो जो PR लेकर Quebec में आ रहे हैं उनके लिए informative video है. So let's get started. The first information on this list is information system analysts and consultant that has NOC code 2171. This 2171 occupation has an average employment in the occupation increased by 30.9% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extended from March to October, right? So अगर आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन इससे मैच करती है, that will be more beneficial for you to come in Quebec and get job as soon as possible. Second on the list is delivery and courier service drivers, which has NOC code 7514. This occupation increased up to 62.4% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October, right? सो डियर व्यूवर्स, अगर आपके पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है तो ये जॉब आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगी, क्योंकि डिलीवरी और कोरियर सर्विस जो ड्राइवर्स हैं उनकी वहाँ पे बहुत रिक्वायरमेंट है, राइट? थर्ड जो इस लिस्ट में है वो है जी स्टोर शेल्फ स्टॉकर्स, क्लर्क एंड ऑर्डर फिलर्स दैट हैज NOC कोड 6622. एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन दिस ऑक्यूपेशन इंक्रीज बाय 19.6% बिटवीन 2019 and 2020. They are working on different kind of stores like food and beverages stores, health and personal care stores. So अगर आप interested हो इन stores में job करने के लिए तो that will be good for you and come Quebec and get job as soon as possible. Fourth job in this list is a supervisor supply chain tracking and scheduling coordination occupation that has NOC code 1215, and they are working with wholesale retail trades, transportation, warehousing, and the employment rate on this occupation has increased up to 48.7%, which is good. On the list is secondary school teachers, which has the code NOC code is 4031, and the employment rate for this occupation increase up to 27.2%. So अगर आपके पास कोई भी एजुकेशनल लाइसेंस है, इट्स अ रेगुलेटेड प्रोफेशन, तो आप इसके लिए एलिजिबल हो. सेकेंडरी स्कूल टीचर्स के लिए यू कैन कम एंड जॉब देयर. High demand job is computer programmers and interactive media developer that has NOC code is 2174, and if you have a computer educational qualification then you are fully eligible for this, and the employment rate increase up to 70.4% between 2019 and 2020 for the period extending from March to October. ड्यू टू कोविड जो क्यूबेक में नेक्स्ट मोर डिमांड जॉब कैटेगरीज में है दैट विल बी ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज प्रोफेशनल विच हैज़ NOC कोड 1121. अगर आपके पास HR डिग्री है तो देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर दिस, एंड द एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑक्यूपेशन इंक्रीज अप टू 25.5% बिटवीन 2019-2020 फॉर द पीरियड एक्सटेंडिंग फ्रॉम मार्च टू अक्टूबर. Next high demand job is user support technician that has NOC code 2282, and if you have a qualification related to this occupation then you are fully eligible for this job, and the employment rate up to increase 52.9%, that will be more than others. Next high demand job in Quebec is financial auditor and accountants that has NOC code 1111, that means 1111, and they are working in all industries. They work related to assets, debit, restructuring, modification of lease, as well as government assistance measures, and the employment rate increase up to 18.4% due to COVID pandemic. नेक्स्ट हाई डिमांड जॉब है फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर्स की, दैट हैज़ NOC कोड 0111 एंड द एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट इंक्रीज अप टू 37.2%. दे आर वर्किंग इन द फील्ड ऑफ फाइनेंस, इंश्योरेंस, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, अकाउंटिंग, tax preparation, bookkeeping, payroll services and retail jobs. So if you have a qualification related to this job, then you are fully eligible for this job, and it is so high demand job in Quebec at that time. Next high demand job is contractors and supervisors, mechanic trades, that has NOC code 7301. Employment typically related to the repair and maintenance, constructions, manufacturing, and the demand rate of this employment is increased up to 47.9%. They are working in repair, maintenance, construction, and manufacturing field. The next high demand job is post secondary teaching and research assistant, that has NOC code 4012. They are typically working in the universities, community colleges, and Quebec's CEGEPS. The employment rate increased up to 37.9% due to the pandemic. Next high demand job is medical administrative assistants, which has NOC code 1243, and they are working in the healthcare and facilities or hospitals, and the increased employment rate up to 16.7% between 2019-2020 for the period extending from March to October. So if you have a qualification related to medical administrative assistant, that will be job for you. The next high demand job is accounting and related clerks, that has a NOC code 1431. They are the accounting clerks working in all the sectors in the Quebec, and the employment rate increased up to 18.7% due to the COVID pandemic. So if you have a job or accounting related clerk qualification, then you are fully eligible for this job. सो जी लास्ट जो हाई डिमांड जॉब है वो है फार्मासिस्ट की, जिसका NOC कोड है 3131. दे आर वर्किंग इन पर्सनल केयर स्टोर्स एंड हॉस्पिटल्स. सो अगर आपके पास फार्मासिस्ट का कोर्स किया हुआ है आपने, तो दैट विल बी सुटेबल फॉर यू. द एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट इंक्रीज अप टू 59.5% ड्यू टू कोविड पैंडमिक. So these are the jobs which are high in demand in Quebec right now due to COVID pandemic, and if you have a qualification related to these occupations, then you are fully eligible for these jobs. सो डियर व्यूवर्स, जो क्यूबेक में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, इस दैट प्रोविंस में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो उनके लिए ये बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल वीडियो है. आई विल पुट द लिंक ऑफ CIC न्यूज़ वेबसाइट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ऑल्सो. थैंक्स फॉर watching my videos. Thank you for joining me today. If you like my videos, so subscribe my channel, like it and share it more so that I can make up more videos for you. If you like my contents, then give me a comment in my comment section, or if you have any query related to Canada, then you can also comment, and I will try my level best to answer all your queries.